What does extraordinary mean to you? Everyone will have a different answer to that question. That's why we're going to do things a little differently. We're going to take you on an extraordinary journey with the new Bentayga, one where you decide which of the many paths to take. You will be given two options each time. The option you take will create your own extraordinary journey.
When Bentley first launched the Bentayga 5 years ago, it introduced the world to the first true luxury SUV. And now, that vision has been completely reimagined. Combining the best of technology and craftsmanship, the new Bentayga inspires you to explore life to the fullest.
Let us take you on a virtual ride in the new Bentayga. Go ahead and pick your destination.
Sometimes it's really great to take the back seat, especially in the new Bentayga. You'll enjoy plenty of space and comfort from these seats that recline up to 14 degrees. And with the new touchscreen remote, you can control almost everything from entertainment to mood lighting and seat ventilation at your fingertips. With someone else at the wheel, you'll be free to enjoy the craftsmanship and comfort of this beautiful interior.
As you explore the cosmopolitan city, many factors combine to make your journey unforgettable. From the powerful yet refined performance to technology that enhances your experience, whether you're driving or being driven.
The journey you have just experienced is one of the many you can take. We now invite you to continue your individual journey using the buttons down below.
The open road has never felt more welcoming, thanks to the Bentley Dynamic Ride, the electric active roll control system on the new Bentayga. This adjusts the anti-roll bars to minimise body roll around corners, giving you responsive handling and total confidence. And when the road straightens out again, it decouples the wheels so they can each respond individually to the surface beneath you. So you enjoy a really smooth ride, even on the bumpiest of surfaces. The result is a driving experience that makes you feel comfortable and completely in control.
Driving along these winding routes in nature, many factors combine to make your journey unforgettable. From the stunning name sound system to the incredible performance both on and off the road.
The journey you have just experienced is one of the many you can take. We now invite you to continue your individual journey using the buttons down below.
The all-terrain specification on the new Bentayga gives you equally commanding performance, even when you leave the road behind. It adds 4 off-road settings to your choice of driving modes: snow, wet grass, dirt, and gravel. It also activates specific off-road systems such as hill descent control and provides underfloor protection that keeps all the key components safe, so you can carry on exploring wherever you choose to go.
Driving along these winding routes in nature, many factors combine to make your journey unforgettable. From the stunning name sound system to the incredible performance both on and off the road.
The journey you have just experienced is one of the many you can take. We now invite you to continue your individual journey using the buttons down below.
If you spend a lot of time inside the car, you'll enjoy the comfort and craftsmanship inside the new Bentayga. You can see just how these details have been crafted. These new designs for the steering wheel and doors really add to that modern look. And then there's the seats. They're perfectly sculpted in the front and rear, so you always have a feeling of being cocooned in comfort with plenty of space around you. But there's more to this extraordinary SUV than the way it looks. It's also incredibly engaging to drive. Close your eyes. Imagine taking the new Bentayga out for a drive. What do you feel?
Even before starting the engine, as you walk up to the new Bentayga, you can enjoy the beautiful view of the front, with its wide, upright matrix grille and its intricate cut crystal elliptical headlamps. The new Bentayga announces its presence in style. Though actually, I think the side view is even more stunning, with its elegant lines that are really accentuated by the new rear roof spoiler. And it looks just as good from the rear, with its clamshell tailgate panel and its wide elliptical tail lamps. But there's more to this extraordinary SUV than the way it looks. It's also incredibly engaging to drive. Close your eyes. Imagine taking the new Bentayga out for a drive. What do you feel?
If you're looking for an exhilarating driving experience, you've found it, thanks to the most advanced V8 engine ever built. Its two twin-scroll turbochargers help produce a thrilling surge of 542 brake horsepower. With a maximum torque of 770 Newton meters, it will take you from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in just 4.5 seconds, and then on to a top speed of 290 kilometers an hour. And whenever you put your foot down, you'll be rewarded with that distinctive Bentley V8 burble. Of course, your experience will also depend on where in the car you decide to sit. Take your pick.
If you're looking for a comfortable, whisper-quiet drive, you found it. With Bentley Dynamic Ride, the electric active roll control system smoothens your journey even on the bumpiest of surfaces. And just by turning the Drive Dynamics rotary dial, you can switch to comfort mode to dial up that luxurious sense of calm even further. Of course, your experience will also depend on where in the car you choose to sit. Take your pick.
With the collection of driver assistance systems on board, you can have complete peace of mind on every journey. Technologies like Traffic Assist and Bentley Safeguard will make your journeys simpler and safer. And on longer journeys, you can count on features like adaptive cruise control and dynamic distance control to help you enjoy the open road. So wherever you travel, you feel safe and confident behind the wheel.
As you explore the cosmopolitan city, many factors combine to make your journey unforgettable. From the powerful yet refined performance to technology that enhances your experience, whether you're driving or being driven.
The journey you have just experienced is one of the many you can take. We now invite you to continue your
A winding open road stretching out ahead of you. Glorious views on either side. What could be better than that, especially in the new Bentayga? The new Bentayga uses the latest technology to enhance the sensory experience even further. Which of these senses would you like to indulge? Contemporary, vibrant, and fascinating. What a joy to explore the cosmopolitan city in the new Bentayga. Thanks to Bentley's contemporary design language, it's a breathtaking sight in its own right, inside and outside. Pick a side to admire in more detail.
Have a look at this stunning new 10.9-inch high-resolution, ultra-sharp touchscreen. And you'll love the fully digital driver's information panel with a simple switch to toggle between the clean classic view and the informative expanded view. But technology isn't the only way the new Bentayga delights the senses. Which part of Bentley's obsession with detail do you want to explore next?
If you love music as much as I do, you really have to hear this fantastic Name for Bentley system. There are 20 speakers in this sound system that take in-car audio to new levels. You can even select 8 different listening modes, so you can experience your favourite songs just like they're meant to be heard. But technology isn't the only way the new Bentayga delights the senses. Which part of Bentley's obsession with detail do you want to explore next?
Wood veneers have always been one of the highlights of a Bentley interior, and the quad veneer is an elegant addition to the new Bentayga. If you are looking for a modern finish, you can opt for the new dark tin diamond brush aluminium, where each diamond is brushed in 3 different directions to create a stunning 3D effect, only available in the Bentley. Once you've chosen all the materials used to create your new Bentayga, the only thing left is to decide where to take it. Pick your adventure.
There's no limit to the way that you can tailor the new Bentayga to your individual style. If you're someone that's into the detail, you'll love the Mulliner driving specification. It includes these diamond quilted seats, embroidered Bentley emblems, and drilled sports pedals, as well as striking fuel and oil filler caps, and these spectacular 22-inch Mulliner wheels. Once you've finalised every last detail of your new Bentayga, the only thing left to decide is where to take it. Pick your adventure.